ladies and gentlemen, here's Maciej, and today we are playing Rain World. So, I have no goddamn clue what this game actually is. I hope my graphics card can take this. And let's start. Start it. Oh, we can choose a character, Monk. Weak of body but strong of spirit, in a tune of mysteries of the world. Empathic to its creatures, your journey will be mm, spe- si- significantly more peaceful. The survival, unnameable omnivorm, both predator and prey, lost in harsh, indifferent lands, you must make your own way, be with and caution on your greatest assets. Hunter. Strong and quick. I guess I'm gonna play as a survival because, well, I'm not really looking for peaceful gameplay. It's probably not that fun to watch. I have no clue what the fuck I'm doing, so please give me a tutorial. We are playing as survival. We are white. I'm sorry, my humor is going down to hell. Oh, well, I will shut up and let's see. Aww, what a dog. Turkish food. This is really sweet. They travel together. They even got the spears? It's decent. It's nice. Oh, shit. Fuck. Why is it hard to hit bullshit from the start? Pick up. Let me guess. Rain. World. So we are starting. Fuck me. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's see what we. There we are. Shift, pick up, eat, Z, jump, X, throw, hold space, arrows to move. Escape is pass. And, okay, ovládání vypadá jednoduše. Gotcha. Oh, I can squeeze through them. Actually seems kinda edible. Well, I'm not getting it. Anyway. Well, I guess I will have to go. Oh, so we are a tutorial guy. Somebody that tells me where to go. That's decent. Okay. I'm sorry I'm shit in this game so far. This is the first time I'm playing. Now what? Help a brother out. Do you want me to go down again or what? Oh, there are more buffs now. Bum ba da da ba ba da ba da da ba. Up. This way, eh? Thank you. Oh, this place looks decent. I'm sorry, the controls are nice. Oh, what? Do I just take my shit and leave? Alright, we are fully. Look, I have no clue about anything right about now. So let's hope we can figure some shit out. Down. Oh, I see. So there are different mobility options. So if I press down, charge up my jump, I can leap. Alright, what the fuck is happening? Why is everything going black? Like I know I shouldn't be sitting this close. I guess we are chilling. Continue the next cycle. I guess we will continue then. I don't know how much people are gonna like this game. Kyle is famous gonna come out soon next episode. I'm not gonna be that yet. I hope the audio is a little better. I kind of played around with it. Don't expect too much. Alright, we are hungry. Oh, oh, I got a stone. Welcome to the Stone Age, bitch. I got a stone. I got a stone to pick with you. Dude, I kinda wanna to... Oh, I think we are ready. I think. Hey, do I actually have a double jump or what the hell was it? Where am I? What? Wait, you're gonna need to explain. Okay. Oh, there I am. Sorry, I'm. This world is beautiful. I just. How should I put it? It's disorient. This. God damn it, that's a difficult word. Disorienting for me, at least. I. I will try to keep this episode short. Inch. Lots with the heavenly music. Help! I'm scared. I'm probably. Ha! Parkour. Parkour, baby. What the fuck is that? Don't come anymore. That seems. That is dangerous. Oh fuck. It is probably dangerous. It seems to be carnivore. Wait, how did I pull this shit off again? Alright, let's try something a bit more sane. Here we start climbing up. We pull a little stunt, but didn't really work out because, you know, Maki. And we broke our legs. Very good. Let's try this one more time. But this time I'm actually gonna... Oh! Hey, safe, baby! Did, do you guys see that? That was actually really decent. This way, eh? I got you, homie. How do I... Oh yeah, Z. Go, go. What the hell is happening? At least we are. I don't know anything about this game other than I kinda liked it and I wanted to share it. I'm gonna probably try playing Shadows of the Doubt. I'm just gonna warn you, the game runs on 10 FPS on this old PC. Not that I'm gonna complain, but I know some people will. I can definitely see it. Wait, what the? I'm really sorry. Those these type of I'm not used to those controls. Alright. What? You want me to go this way? No, this way. I see. Well, I'm gonna follow giant creepy eye. Or small creepy eye in this case. Doesn't really matter, creepy eye. Oh, Jesus fucking crap. You again? Alright, let's try. Yeah, yeah. Probably gonna get fucked. Stay. Oh, they fight each other. Right, to sneak past. And then I still got the sneaking abilities. My sneaking abilities are real good. Oh, fuck. Shit. Ow, get. Man. This game is interesting. I must admit, it's making me feel something, and that something is hatred for those fuckers. Well, hello again, bitch. Run. There's no time to play. Goodbye. Go fuck yourself, please. I'm actually wondering, could I befriend the creature? I should really get moving. There's no befriending that bitch. Alright, down. Jesus Christ. What the hell, follow me? Oh, food, food. Come here, bitch. I'm hungry for another one. Why does this look like chase sequence? Oh, Fleetfoot. Hey, buddy. I should probably get move on. Knowing what this shit is for, I guess. Oh, fuck. Fuck me. Fuck me. Fuck. 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 Shit. Bitch. Damn. Cocksuck. Calm down. I'm way smarter than some lizards. I am on the top of the food chain. I say as I drop the food. Oh, great. That's great. Get me out. Get me the fuck out. What the hell is this hellhole? Get the fuck off. What the fuck? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate you watching. If you want to see another episode, I'm probably gonna do a few more, but this is actually kinda hard. Maybe I just adjust my controls, but for now, thank you all so much for watching. It's been a pleasure being your host for today's episode of Rainworld. If you really want more, just please say it. This one is actually really difficult. Well, anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say.